We are constantly asked how to stamp nail polish every single time with success. On today's Nail School, we're gonna take you through the process and show you the little tips and tricks that will allow you to stamp nail polish perfect every single time. Right now on Nail School. All right, man, how to stamp nail polish. Take us through the steps.
It is really easy. And the biggest mistake that most people have is they wait too long. So I'm gonna show you how to do this so that you guys have success every single time. Check this out. The first thing you have to do is make sure that you clean your plate with acetone, right? And you have to make sure between each stamp that you clean it with acetone before you stamp again. With your stamper, you want to make sure that you use a lint roller to clean the surface. This is gonna pull out any residue, and you need to do this between each stamp as well. You need to make sure that you clean your swiping card as well, and you need to do it in between each stamp. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use XOXO Kissy Face, which is this metallic pink, and we're gonna stamp this over Look Don't Touch, which is black, that is on her nail right now. You need to make sure that all the nails have been painted out thoroughly. So you're gonna paint out 1 through 10, and by the time you're done painting out the 10th nail, you're now ready to stamp the first. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a nice healthy amount and I'm going to place it right here. What we're going to do is we're going to pull right here. We're not gonna pull flat. I need to make sure that I pull through and fill all the space. I'm going to pull through, I'm going to quickly push down, I'm gonna come over the top, and as you can see, it releases, and I have a perfect stamp over the whole entire surface of the nail. So remember, you guys, it's all about timing. As soon as you put your polish down on one side, you're going to scrape, stamp, and go. Literally 1, 2, 3. If you wait, chances are the design's not gonna transfer. You're going to lay it down, you're going to swipe, and go. And that is how you're going to stamp with perfection.